Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you exactly how you can share a Google Sheet directly to WhatsApp. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to quickly generate a shareable link to your Google Sheet, adjust its privacy settings for your needs, and send that link to any contact or group on WhatsApp. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues, sending out data to family, or just want an easier way to share important info, you'll see how straightforward this can be. So let's jump right into it. First off, open up the Google Sheet that you want to share. Make sure you're logged into your Google account and that you've got the correct sheet open in your browser. This is important because you want to be absolutely sure you're sharing the right file. Nobody likes sending out the wrong spreadsheet. So take a quick look at the file name at the top of your screen to double check. Now in the top right corner, you'll see a big button that says Share. Go ahead and click that. This is really your gateway to managing who has access to your Google Sheet. Don't worry if the share window looks a bit overwhelming at first. Google made it pretty intuitive once you know what you're looking for. Next, click on the option that says Get Link. This will pull up a section that shows you how you can share your sheet through a direct URL. But before you copy the link, it's important to set the right sharing permissions. You'll see a dropdown that probably says something like Restricted to start with. This means that only people who are specifically invited have access. Now, if you want anyone who gets this link, say, in your WhatsApp group or chat to be able to view or interact with the sheet, click the dropdown and choose anyone with the link. Here's an important bit. Look just beneath that dropdown and you'll see you can also pick what kind of access you want to grant. Set it to Viewer if you don't want folks making any changes, use Commenter if you want them to leave notes, or choose Editor if you need them to actually help work on the sheet with you. Make sure you really think about this depending on how sensitive your data is. Once that's set, go ahead and click Copy Link. That copies the special Google Sheets link to your clipboard. Think of it like having the address to your sheet ready to hand off to someone else. You might want to test this out by pasting it into a blank browser window just to double check the permissions are working as you expect. It's always worth a quick check. Sometimes we pick the wrong setting by accident. For the purposes of this demo, I'm not actually opening WhatsApp, but you probably already get the gist. All you have to do is open WhatsApp, whether on your phone or on WhatsApp web, then just paste that link into any chat where you want to share the sheet. That's it. Whoever gets it can now open up your Google Sheet with just a tap. It's a lot easier than dealing with messy file attachments or sending screenshots, right? Plus, if you ever update the sheet, everyone with the link sees the latest changes. No need to resend anything. And that's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about Google Sheets or sharing documents in general. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.